Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ukulele kit is probably one of the most rewarding DIY projects you can undertake, offering a unique blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and the immense satisfaction of playing an instrument you've built yourself, from carefully selecting the wood to meticulously assembling each part and finally tuning your very own ukulele. This journey promises an unforgettable experience for both beginners and experienced crafters alike, and this video will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring a successful and enjoyable build. Number 5. OriGlam 21 DIY Ukulele Kit. It's an unfinished wood kit, so you can paint or stain it however you like. The basswood body provides a smooth surface, ready for your creative touch. Putting it together is a breeze. The kit comes with all the tools you need, making the process simple and fun for everyone. It's a wonderful project for parents and children to do together. Creating this ukulele will strengthen your bond and create lasting memories. This isn't just a fun project, it's a learning experience. You'll discover how these instruments are made and gain a new appreciation for them. Give the gift of creation. This DIY kit makes a unique and memorable present for kids, friends, or family. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. If you are looking for a blank canvas to express your creativity, this is the perfect choice. It's easy to assemble, even for beginners, making it a fun project for the whole family. This kit fosters parent-child bonding through a shared creative experience, making it ideal for families with young children. What people say. The parts are all there, and in generally good condition. Assembly went fine until it was time to put on the strings. The kit was easy to put together and sounds great. Number 4. LIEKE DIY Ukulele Kit. This is the LIEKE DIY Ukulele Kit. Everything you need to build your own ukulele is included. It comes with all the parts you'll need, the body, the neck, strings, and tools for assembly. Everything is ready to go. It's easy to put together. Clear instructions make building your ukulele simple and fun for all ages. Personalize it. Decorate it with your favorite colors and designs, make it truly unique. It's a great creative activity for kids, improving their hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. Adults will enjoy it too. Build it with friends or family. It's a wonderful way to bond and create lasting memories together. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to build your own ukulele. The clear instructions make assembly simple and straightforward, perfect for both kids and adults. It's a fantastic creative activity that improves hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills, making it great for educational purposes. What people say. I had to sand it a little bit and I used my own wood glue. It came with its own glue, but other than everything came with it and it went together super easy. The parts were all there and directions were pretty good, although small and a bit hard to read. This kit is a great little project, but I wouldn't expect to end up with a good quality instrument. It's a good way to show kids the basics of how stringed instruments work. Number 3. StewMac DIY Soprano Ukulele Kit. It's the perfect project for new builders. This kit makes building your own ukulele easy and fun. This kit is simple to assemble, even for first-time builders. It's also a great gift for aspiring luthiers. It features high-quality mahogany laminates for the back and sides, reducing springback and ensuring a smooth build. Detailed instructions and bracing plans guide you through every step of the process. Building your own ukulele has never been easier. It's a rewarding experience from start to finish. Plus, it sounds amazing when you're done. The kit includes all the necessary components for building your ukulele. Check the product description for a complete list. What we like. If you're a beginner builder or looking for a high-quality, enjoyable project, this kit is for you. The superior materials and comprehensive instructions ensure a smooth and satisfying build process. It's a great way to learn the basics of ukulele construction and create a beautiful instrument. What people say. Instructions were easy to follow and the materials are of high quality. The instructions are precise and clear and a YouTube video tutorial is helpful. Makes a beautiful looking and sounding instrument when completed. Number 2. DIY Ukulele Kit Soprano. It's easy to build your own ukulele with our complete kit. Everything you need is included, plus simple instructions. This kit is perfect for family fun. It's a great way to bond and create something special together. Our kit has all 33 pieces you need to build a beautiful ukulele. No extra parts to source. It's designed for easy assembly, even for beginners. Follow the instructions and you'll be playing in no time. Once it's built, personalize it. Paint it, decorate it, make it uniquely yours. It makes a fantastic gift for music lovers of all ages. Give the gift of creation and music. What we like. This kit makes building a ukulele incredibly easy and fun. It's fully customizable, allowing you to create a truly unique instrument. It's a perfect activity for families to enjoy together, creating lasting memories and a personalized musical instrument. What people say. The kit includes everything you will need except for sandpaper and whatever finishing coat you desire. This kit has keys of an improved design and clear instructions on how to affix them. These ukulele kits are fun to decorate and easy to assemble. Number 1. EXCEART DIY Ukulele Kit. It's a great way to improve your hand-eye coordination and have fun at the same time. Let's get started. It has smooth, polished corners and surfaces, making it safe and comfortable for everyone to handle. You'll love how easy it is to put together. This kit lets you express your creativity as you build it. You'll end up with a one-of-a-kind instrument. It's a fantastic way for children to explore their musical interests. Even if you've never played before, you can easily learn. We use only the best materials to ensure it's durable and sounds great. Enjoy the superior quality and craftsmanship. Once assembled, you'll have a beautiful ukulele ready to make some music. Start creating your own melodies today. What we like. If you value safety in a smooth building experience, this kit is a great option. The well-polished pieces ensure a safe and enjoyable building process. It's a fun and educational activity that helps develop hand-eye coordination and creativity, making it a perfect gift for children. What people say. The first one I ordered did not come with assembly instructions, so I requested a replacement. If you've put together one of the less expensive basswood ukulele kits, you won't have any problems with this one made of real hardwood, and includes higher quality materials. When working with hardwood, you will have to pre-drill all the screw holes, and use carpenter's glue to hold it together as the newer instant-type wood glues don't absorb into the hardwood very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.